I've had a lot of questions. Hey, what's that face shield? I've shared that link on Amazon to a few people privately, but I haven't wanted to talk about it until I really used it for a while. Perfectly square. I love this crosscut setup. It's so quick and easy to set up, and I never have to calibrate it. I'm actually working on a mini crosscut sled, but this video isn't about that. I'll make a separate video and show you what I come up with. I want to tell you about this face shield. Not sponsored, bought this myself. It intrigued me, and I didn't want to talk about it. I've been using it for about 4 months now. I have a lot of good to say about this, and I give it a buy. 2 of these with 10 filters that fit in this chin for less than 20 bucks. So that should scare you off right away. It actually did me. I bought them thinking this is going to be a throwaway. I'm going to get it. It's going to be junk. I'm either going to send it right back or I'm going to use it and fall apart. Well, 4 months, the plastic is pretty thick. So I think it would take a good impact if something flew at my face. Seal all the way around. This seals all the way around, forehead, face, chin, and it gives a good seal. It's very comfortable, very supple. I was expecting it to be stiff and kind of chafe, and I wear this for long periods and no problem. It's clear. So I wear glasses. I can't see my tape measure if I don't have glasses on. And when I wear safety glasses over these, it messes my vision up. Even expensive ones that cost a lot more than this. This one is, I don't get any distortion. It doesn't fog up. So today it's 88 degrees and, well, the humidity is only 66. It feels like I'm sweating in here because it's 88 out there. It's warmer than that in here. Notice 2 things, how easy it went off and on, and it didn't fog at all. So that's impressive. Filters, again, it comes with 10 of these PM 2.5s, whatever that means. These would be easy to cut out if you wanted to use a certain type of filter, as long as you got a good seal. So the pros, it's inexpensive, it's comfortable, it's clear, it doesn't fog up, it works with my glasses and my hearing protection. Number 1 is I use it. The cons about it are it's cheaply made, and I don't know how long it's going to hold up, and I like buying things once and having them last. If somebody made one identical to this, but with just put together better quality materials, definitely a better strap, I would be willing to pay a multiple more. $30, $50, even maybe up to, say, $59.99, 60 bucks. If I knew that, it was going to hold up and last. And this one may do that, but with reservation, I just want you to know it does feel cheap. And the other negative would be true of any face shield is temperature builds up in there and it gets warm on my face. If you want to give one of these a try, there's a lot of brands on Amazon. I'm sure they're all made by the same people and just different people marketing them. But I found the best price, and I had to buy 2 because to buy 1, it was just a couple dollars more to get 2 and twice as many filters. So it didn't make any sense. I'll put a link to that one in the description down below. It's an Amazon affiliate, so Amazon will pay us if you use that link. If you'd like to get a smart workbench like this one, or a smart station like this one, I will put a link in the description of the video down below. Mahalo.